Hello, and thank you for your interest in Busi-Accounts, the free accountancy package from BusiMe. When you first open the package, you're presented with the monthly detail view, and it's showing the current month, which is September. What I'd like to do first is to add an expense that we've had. We've had some business cards printed. So we go to Add Income or Expense. The date, which is the 28th of the 9th 12, which would always be the date that's on the invoice. The fact that it's for printing, printing of business cards, and it's a printing expense. These types of expenses can be adjusted to suit your business. You can remove some of these, all of these, reorder them, or add your own. The cards were £75 plus VAT, so we'll put £75 in, tab to the next field, and you can see that it's calculated the VAT for us. We then add this expense. The computer asks us if we'd like to add another, to which we'll say no. And those cards have now appeared at their full gross price on the screen. We could now export this to a spreadsheet. I'm not going to show you that here, I will show you that on the monthly summary when we get to that. But you can see that we've had expenses for premises, for salaries, as well as printing. We can list all the expenses for the current month simply by pressing this button. And there you go, there's the detail of all those expenses. Again, using the export to a spreadsheet, you can export it to a spreadsheet. The monthly summary is the display that you're most familiar with. We started this business in January, this demonstration company, so I'm just going to move us along a little bit so it fills the screen. So we started in January, it's currently September, there's the printing of the business cards that we just put in, and it shows us that we have £2,727.81 left in the bank. It also shows the profit for each month individually, and it also shows the net profit margin. That's the profit that we've made on our sales at the bottom. Here's where I'll show you the export. So we're going to export it to a spreadsheet, and then as it's a spreadsheet, we can format it exactly how we'd like to. So we'll make the columns a little wider, bring this one back, and that is what you would present to your bookkeeper or accountant at the end of the year so he could work out your accounts to send to the taxman. You have therefore saved him or her a lot of time, and therefore you a lot of money on his or her fees. Just returning back to the software. In either the monthly detail or the list all expenses, you can show all of them, so you can see exactly what's been going on. Again, monthly detail shows you every expense in the correct column, so it's very easy to see what's been going on within your business. Again, you can export this to a spreadsheet so you can manipulate it later. I just want to show you some of the menu options so you can understand how simple this software is to use. We have your organisation name, in this case it's Demonstration Company, whether you are VAT registered or not, what income types we have. In our case we have sales, but you could have grants or product sales or sales from services. You could have all of them or just one of them. And the expense types. These are the most commonly used ones, but you can add as many as you like, and you can remove them, and you can move them up or down. So if we wanted to move bank charges down a little bit, there it goes, we're just moving it down, move it to the end. Any you don't like you can delete, and you can add new. The bottom ones are just if you want to share the database across your network. So if you're in an office and 3 other people want to have access, you can set it up so they can. The clear all button erases everything from the database. If you would like any more information, then please contact me through my website, which is www.busime.co.uk. And again, thanks for your interest in Busi-Accounts, the free accountancy package from BusiMe.